Welcome back to another vlog, and today's going to be a really exciting one. We're flying from Dubai to London Heathrow in Emirates First Class. So we're going to be flying on the A380, and it's a newly retrofitted plane. So it's got the brand new cabin, the onboard bar, the onboard shower, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to show you everything that I had to eat, all the amenities that you get to keep from within the suite. I'll show you the first class lounge and everything that the lounge has to offer. And yeah, it's just going to be an amazing experience, and I hope you enjoy today's video. So we start today's journey at Dubai International Terminal 1, and as you know, when you fly first class and business class, you have a separate terminal altogether. So the check-in's separate, you also have separate security, and then you can go straight to the lounge. So some of the extra features that you get with first class, you can get the chauffeur service, which I didn't get because I used points. You can also have the guys come to your house, and then they take all your luggage and print your tickets at your house. All you need to do is book 24 hours in advance, but I think this is a great service. But even so, getting through the airport's really easy. This is the first class lounge, and it's situated upstairs above the duty-free shopping. So it's opposite the business class lounge as well, so it's easy to find. As you walk in, you've got the check-in area on the left, and what I'd suggest is that you go straight to the timeless spa and book your massage slot. So you can get a 15-minute massage before you fly, and it's definitely worth it. They've also got a Costa coffee, they've got a bar, and then there's loads of food on offer. So you've got pastries, you've got sandwiches, you've got hot food, and it doesn't matter where you're sitting in the lounge, you can just order it and they'll bring it straight to you. They've also got a shoe shining service, and then you can go to like a kids play area which has arcade games as well. And yeah, you can normally board from the plane if it's concourse A, but this is concourse B. So we're just about to board the plane, and we're flying to London today. So I'm going to be showing you what the first class is like on the A380, so I'll show you more when I'm on board. Talk about what comes in the wellness kit. So you've got a facial toner there, you've got eye cream, that's like a wet wipe, you've got pillow spray, and then this is sleep oil. So I haven't used any of this, but it's just to show you what comes with the wellness kit, and that's it. They also come round and give you pyjamas. So these are some special moisturising pyjamas. They're really comfortable. You also get premium headphones, and you've also got a tablet inside the suite and loads of storage. You've also got a mattress topper and pillow, which makes the suite really comfortable when you sleep, and you can ask the crew to come around at any time and make your bed. So these are the menus. So when you get on the plane, you're given a menu, and you have starters, you have mains, you have desserts. You've also got a snack menu where you can get popcorn, edamame. You can also get beef sliders. I wasn't that hungry on this flight, so I didn't eat too much. But I started off with the caviar. I've never tried it before, but yeah, it was really nice. And then also I had the Arabic meze, and then I had, as my main, the beef tenderloin. And everything was 10 out of 10. I didn't have any dessert, but yeah, the choices were still amazing. You can also try the Hennessy Paradis, which is a $1,400 bottle. So I tried a little bit, it was actually really nice, but yeah, I'd never pay that. So this is the onboard shower spa. And when you book your slot, you get 30 minutes with 5 minutes of hot running water. So there's an attendant who stands outside, and they're in charge of cleaning the shower spa and then also replenishing any of the amenities that get used after each guest goes in there. The floor's heated, it's got a hairdryer, you've got a shaving kit, you've got a toothbrush, anything that you can think of is in there. You've also got a screen which has the flight map. And yeah, it's just an amazing experience. You've got the towels, you can use it all throughout the flight, but I mainly just used it for the 30-minute shower slot. When you use the shower spa and you come outside, they'll pour you some herbal tea, and then also you'll have fresh fruit waiting at your suite. So when you walk through the business class cabin, you get to the back, and then there's the onboard bar and lounge. You've probably seen this before, but it's really cool. It's a great place to socialise, and you can order your drinks here. So when you arrive there, they do say that you're from first class, so you do get a bit of special treatment, but yeah, it's really nice. We're just about to land into Heathrow, so I'll just show you around the suite. So this is the 32-inch screen. We've got a wellness kit here. All the snacks I've taken away, they're inside the bag now. You also get this writing kit. And then these doors open and close at a push of a button. We've got a light and an air vent here. Another light there. So this is the mini bar, which I've cleared out. They gave me some fruit after the shower. And this is a tablet, so on this tablet you can choose what you watch. You can manoeuvre the seat, so at the touch of a button there's different settings. Then you can do it individually as well. And then also the lighting, and that's for the doors. This is the storage area, one of them. And then there's another one in here. This goes up and down the headrest. It's like the Bentley seats. And these are the headphones you get. But pretty much everything that comes with the suite is in this bag now. So you get slippers and you get these pyjamas, which I didn't use, but they're really nice. They feel really soft. And I'll just show you the Bvlgari Amenity Kit. Dental kit, deodorant, shaving foam, razor, that's like body balm, comb, then you get this perfume, Bvlgari perfume, or aftershave even, and that's an aftershave balm again, or body balm. That's the bag it comes in. So yeah, but I didn't use this because in the shower it's got pretty much all the same stuff. Coming into London, we had this amazing sunset, and yeah, the flight just went so quick. I think 7 hours wasn't long enough. The next time I do it, I think I'll make sure that it's a US flight. But I highly recommend doing first class, and the service was incredible. And yeah, just everything was amazing, and especially the retrofitted cabins. They were just so nice. I think they've done a really good job updating the cabins. It was really bright and airy, and yeah, just an amazing experience. I think the next time I fly, I'm going to try the Emirates Game Changer on the 777. So subscribe to the channel, and if you like today's video, please like the video as it helps me a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.